So we're down here in Greenwich in southeast London. This is our restoration project, all completed now. So what we've done on this project, if you scroll back to our previous videos, was we removed all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Once all of the paint was removed, we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then repointed all the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a flush finish, and then a tuck pointing finish on all of the gauged archwork. As you can see, looks absolutely fantastic as always. Decorated all of the stonework and masonry, painted all of the railings. Front door's been painted as well. So what's next left to do is we're going to, customers been having major building works going on in the house, so now most of this work's been done. Looking at doing a new path, coping stones, new garden wall with railings coming all the way through, just to square everything off here. Customer also wants us now to come back and do the side of the house as well, so clean and repoint the side of the house as well. So this project's come out absolutely amazing. Customer's really happy with how everything came out, and get back here in the next few months to finish off this transformation with new garden walls and railings and a nice new entrance to the front of the property there. So we'll show you some more progress in the next couple of weeks. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.